Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tend to Your Passion. I hope you all are well, doing good and doing great. That's great. Greetings are more important before starting the video and I'm really well wisher of your good health and I hope so you are watching this video with good health as well. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are watching this video first time, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notifications of my latest videos. I know my viewers were waiting for my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic and latest video. Today, I am presenting versatile bob haircut ideas in this video. I hope you will enjoy this video as well. So, I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite one haircut and hair color and haircut idea from this video as well. Well, you can see how beautifully girls are carrying these hairstyles and haircuts. No doubt these all haircuts are really amazing, gorgeous and mind-blowing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. And also these haircuts will enhance the beauty of your personality as well. No doubt you are beautiful already. After getting these hairstyles, you will feel more younger than your age as well. As you know, all young girls, teenage girls, models, and celebrities are getting these kind of hairstyles and haircuts with fashion hair color these days and upcoming season of 2025. You can select your favorite one from them with your favorite fashion hair color. Well, you can go on with your base color as well. It's depend on you. So don't waste your time, ladies. Just take a screenshot or download the video and go to your hairdresser and get your favorite hairstyle and haircut and share with me your haircut and hair color also that what kind of haircut you select from this video. You can share me through comment section and if you like the video you can also appreciate me through comment section and you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. I will be there in next